This forklift is the Ameise Original. The reinforced steering bar makes stable turning and maneuvering possible in the tightest spots. Delicate lifting and lowering of the draw handle is ensured via the ergonomic drawbar grip's operating lever. The high-performance hydraulic pump with its hard-chromed pressure piston is particularly robust and durable. The hydraulic system is also maintenance-free. As a result, you have no further costs. The welded section steel frame can easily cope with loads of up to 2,000 kilograms. The tandem rollers and the infeed rollers in the fork tips ensure easy handling on uneven surfaces or taking up pallets at right angles. This forklift is your ideal partner for continuous daily operation.